Hi all, I'm here again with the reading. And first of all, I must say to all the mothers, to the ones who are expecting, to the ones who are trying to get pregnant, to the ones who are feminine in nature, motherly in nature, even regardless of gender, to the ones who lost their babies due to whatever reason, to the ones who are connected to their spirit babies, and the rest, to all the mothers in my soul family, happy Mother's Day. And so I have come up with this reading about what your spirit babies want to say to you. Okay. So if you are in connect with them, this will be kind of a confirmation, okay, or some addition to what you already know. And if not, you will know what you should know, maybe, because why not? This is a very good opportunity to talk to your spirit babies, and I am glad to be a medium for both of you's connection. So without much further delay, I'll just, as you can see, I'm shuffling the cards. These are my handmade cards, by the way. Okay, I'm doing this reading only with my spirit babies messages deck. Okay, uh, and yeah. Some of you maybe have lost their baby recently around the time of Mother's Day, and you're very upset about that. Your baby in spirit is trying to, calm you down. If you're feeling some babyish presence around you, suddenly you are, seeing a lot of babies around you. It's just because the baby you have lost, your baby, is just trying to comfort you right now, is what I'm seeing. Maybe you need to go out in a park, or maybe you went to a park recently and you saw some baby or some child who tried to contact to you, who tried to connect with you. Yeah, as I'm saying this, a lot of cards are falling out. So see, don't worry about me, mom, I'm in a very good place. I was just saying this. If you have lost your baby, they are in a very safe, very good place. They just want you to be happy. They just want you to stop worrying about them, okay? And stop taking so much stress. Start taking care of yourself, because the thing is, they are seeing how some of you are also dealing with post-pregnancy depression. I am not a therapist or a mental health professional, but it just came in my mind. So some of you are seriously diagnosed with it, and your recent loss, or whatever reason, maybe your baby just something happened, is what I'm getting. Maybe they went away somewhere, or something is going on for sure, and that's making you sad. That is related to your baby, which is a spirit baby. Even doesn't matter in if they have arrived in the physical reality or not. Okay. I never include my stuffed toy in readings, but today I did. I think I did it. You know, I just felt like I should, because there's this thing. Kids love toys. So for some of you who are asking for some kind of confirmation, whether if you are in a very healthy, safe connection, will you get um, you know pregnant by your partner, is what I'm getting. So uh, the answer is yes, okay, to that, if you were wondering. And to the ones who are worrying about that some of you have lost their babies, and you're wondering if they're safe, if they're okay wherever they are. I don't know if it's in the physical, the loss was just on the physical plane, or it was, something that the soul departed or something like that. On that note, you should read my blog, Dearest Departed. Yeah, it just came into my mind. I'll just link it down below. Please read it. Maybe it has some meaning or some message for you. Okay. So your baby is just trying to tell you, or your babies is what I'm getting. Maybe three to five babies. For some of you have, and or people who you consider as babies, and you're very worried about them. They all of them are saying that we are in a very good place, don't worry about us, because they know that you're very worried about them, and that is affecting your health adversely, and that's not a very good thing. So yeah, this is a very strong message. Okay, this is like primarily, like a primary message of the whole video is this. Try to be a little childish for some of you, because you have just lost the sense of being kid-like, being carefree, being, not caring whoever judges you or whatever happens, because you don't understand those things, right? So you're too much into materialism is what I'm getting. Okay, something has happened for some of you. For some of you is what I'm getting, that has made you lost your innocence, and your spirit babies want you to gain it back. Okay, to do things that help you gaining back your innocence. Okay. For some of you, you need to switch off the news because it's stressing you out, and stress is taking you away from the connection of your baby. Because for some of you, most of you who are talking to the spirit babies right now are so stressed with the news, they are not focusing on the spirit babies, and spirit babies want to deliver a message to you, but you're not talking to them. So that's what's stressing them out, and that is how that stress is also transferred to you, because you are their spirit mama or spirit father. Okay. So another card that came in reverse reads, don't involve me as a child in between or middle of both of your fights or arguments. Don't use me as a weapon against others. So yeah, definitely don't use them against as a weapon against your whoever you're fighting with. But yeah, they want things to resolve. Okay, some of you are upset with your children, and some of your children who are in physical reality, who you are upset with, are guilty right now. They are not able to say sorry to you is what I'm getting. Okay. But they really want to say sorry, especially on this day, and that's a message, their message that I'm delivering to you right now. So that's why maybe something happened, like because of your child, if they are especially in physical reality, they're present in physical reality, and they're living right now with you as your child, then maybe something has happened that has made something happened in which your child was the main reason, somehow intentionally or unintentionally, whatever, but somehow they became the reason why you and your spouse fought. And there's double stress on you right now, because you're away from your baby, your child, you're not talking to your child. Okay, and you're also not getting the comfort from your spouse as well, is what I'm getting for some of you. Okay, and so that is why this card is in reverse, because your child wants to see that their mother and father, or whatever the connection is, okay, because this is genderless, timeless reading. So their parents just live in union happily, and in balance, okay, in a healthy manner. So they are not able to see that. That's why this card is in reverse, but they want things to be different, they want things to be good right now. Okay, and that's why this card is also here, astral traveling to meet you and daddy in turns. Because see, this is the thing, for some reason there's definitely something going on between you and your partner, which is a rough patch right now. And due to that, your baby is not able to connect to both of you at the same time, and they are just trying their best to mend things. Okay, and maybe it's just making things fall apart even more, or it is appearing so. Okay, and that's why this is astral traveling between you and your partner, that is their father, and in turns, because they just can't talk to you together right now because you're fighting, both of you. Okay, uh, then there is we're also different, but you treat us all the same, or according to the need, according to the care we need. Okay, so there are two messages. One is that for some of you, your baby is appreciating that you are egalitarian. You give the right care to the baby, but for most of you, it's like you it's like a complaint that we are also different, but you treat us all the same. Which means for some of you, you as parents, especially mothers, you have punished your child when they were not at fault, and that's not a good thing to do. Okay, so if you have done that, please go and apologize to your child. Okay, please go and apologize to your child if you have done that. If you have blamed them or harmed them, or hit them for something they did not do, or punish them for something they did not do, go today. Okay, or call or message, but ask for forgiveness today itself. Okay, right now while you're watching this video. Okay, then there's this card in reverse. Never be greedy and ask for something unnaturally, because the desire will surely manifest, but will soon prove to be fatal. The thing is, what I'm feeling right now is because I think a lot of people will watch this video. Okay, and most of them will be mothers, because this is Mother's Day special. So maybe they are searching, and this video will show up, and this the thing is that since a lot of you are seeing this, it's like each card is for each individual. It's just like that. It's like I can't even say this is general reading, because it's literally like specifically one card is for somebody, other card is for somebody else, and I don't know who they are, but I don't know personally who you are and which card you resonate to. But whichever card you resonate to, and if you have an advice, please follow those advices. Okay, but it's literally like I have just seen 5 cards, and it's like for 5 different categories of mothers. Okay, so this card reads, never be greedy and ask for something unnaturally, because the desire will surely manifest, but will soon prove to be fatal. And this is in reverse. For some of you, you are so giving that you do not pay attention to your own needs as a mother. Because as a mother, as a divine feminine, as a feminine person, you maybe some of you, I'm getting, have not since this is 18 plus in the sense, not a sexual reading, but obviously this is adult reading, moms. So some of you have not touched yourself, and I don't know why I got that message, but yeah, some of you have not touched yourself, and that's something. Somehow this card is showing that I'm getting intuitively, because every time the cards meanings change, because I read intuitively. So first, but that's for like 0.00001% of mothers. Okay, then yeah, so the thing is, for some of you, there's something going on, something fishy going on, and you're trying to prevent that, or trying to protect a child, because there's like unnatural way of procuring your desires, fulfilling your desires is mentioned in this. And this card is in reverse. So you are not doing this, but maybe somebody else is doing this, and you're trying to protect your child from that. Okay, wherever they are, in whatever reality they are, and you're trying to protect your child from that, and this is somehow I got Christian, so some of you are Christian maybe, and that resonates with you, and yeah, yeah. That's what I'm getting. That you are not greedy, but somebody around you is greedy, and they ask for something unnaturally, and that involved your baby somehow. Your baby, your spirit baby, uh, your child somehow. And I don't know why people do that, but there are people who do that. So something like that, which they wanted to do against them for some reason, I don't know. And I am saying that you are harmless here, yeah, like you have not done anything to provoke that kind of situation. The one who is trying to threat the situation are doing that impromptu. So yeah, I'm not saying that you are doing something like that, but surely you need to be safe. And for some of you, you need to protect your baby if they are an infant, and if you can intuitively feel, that there's some, especially, I don't know why I'm very I'm very feminist person, but I'm seriously getting intuitively that there's some old woman, some older woman around you. For some of you, I'm not trying to threaten you or something like that. I'm not trying to, scare you or something like that. But I'm seeing this, because I see visions all the time. So I'm seeing this, that there's somebody in your house who's older, and this is a lady, and this is a person, you can't quite put your finger at it, but you intuitively feel like this person is something is fishy about this person. You can feel that, okay, to the ladies, to the mothers, and you just don't like when they're around your child, and they try to revolve around your child all the time, something like that. I don't know why I'm getting that vision. I just don't send these kind of negative visions, negative messages, but I'm seriously seeing very clearly this kind of vision. So just try to spend as much time as you can with your child, okay? Try to take care of them yourself and not give them to somebody else to take care of them, okay? Even if they are a female, don't just do that, especially if they're just an infant or a toddler, because at that time they seriously need their mother. So I understand that there's a lot of issue related to maternity leave and everything, but I'm seriously getting that intuitively. If you can, please do that, okay? Then there's this card in reverse, which is your last card. It's my request and my wish. You and I know that daddy is not toxic or unhealthy or narcissistic, nor are you. Can both of you unite before I come in 3D? And this is in reverse. So for some of you, I'm getting these two together in reverse. That for some of you who are expecting mothers or who are mothers but are in a very toxic situation with their husbands or spouse, or whatever that, some of you are also getting domestic violence. I don't know why I'm getting such negative messages, but I'm getting that, so I'm telling you that, okay? But I'm getting intuitively that for some of you, you are victims of domestic violence. So, and you have not yet stood up for yourself because you want to take care of your baby, but your baby wants to say that they will take care of themselves because they are divine babies. You take care of yourself, okay? You just get out of that toxic situation right now, is what they want to say. And that's why it's like, never be greedy. Yeah. Anything else? Some of you are seeing some dreams related to, newborn baby, their laugh. You may be hearing their laugh, and you may be feeling like you're hallucinating or you're delusional or something like that, but that's not, like, you're not having any auditory hallucination. No, you're actually hearing that, but nobody else can hear that because uh, you know, you are a little, you know, above in perceiving these things. Okay, your senses are more sensitive to nature, to natural sounds, to other realms, other dimensions. uh, so yeah, and for some of you who are hearing, babies' laughs out of nowhere, it's nothing to be scared of. If you're trying to be expected parents, then, sorry, if you're trying to be parents, then yeah, that's just a sign that your spirit baby is around you and they're here to help you. So you just need to, try in the physical now. And this is very, like, very mature kind of reading, but I usually don't do these kinds of reading, but I felt intuitively I should, so I have done this today. And that's all for today for you, to all the mothers. Happy Mother's Day again, and yeah, have a good day. And yeah, please read the blog. There's another blog that I wrote on Mother's Day yesterday, so you can read that on akashasaruni.com. So that's all for you. Have a good day, keep smiling, and